What's the easiest way to keep my team updated on my calendar? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new event in Google Calendar. Then we'll be taking the details of that event to send a channel message in Slack. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here, as always, at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new event in Google Calendar to Slack message. And we're going to pick our trigger by clicking inside of our trigger box. This is going to be in Google Calendar. And the event is going to be new event. Click continue. Make sure I'm connected to my Google account. If you have any trouble connecting to your Google account, check out the blog in the description. I want this trigger to be monitoring my test calendar. So this is only going to initiate when a new event is added to that particular calendar. I'll test my trigger. And we have a new event. So I can come down and click continue here. For my action, I'm going to choose Slack. And the event is going to be to send a channel message. Make sure I'm connected to Slack. Again, if you need help connecting with Slack, check out the blog in the description. The channel in Slack that I want to send this message to is my test channel. The message text is going to come from that trigger. So I'm going to click inside of the message box and then down to my drop-down menu. And here are the details of my event. So the summary is the title of the event. And I'm actually going to have that be the bot name that the message is sent under. But all the details I'm going to put here in the message text. So the description, Don's only, enter the location. We have a start time, which I can say start time. End time. And then for that bot name, I'm going to pick the name of the event, which is the summary, the meeting with the 5 families. I'm not going to add an icon or an emoji for this message, and it's not a part of an existing thread. I'm going to leave those boxes empty. Click continue, test my action, and we have a success. So I can look at my Slack channel, and I can see that message has been sent with the name of the event as the bot name and then the details there underneath. So it looks like we have a successful workflow. I've not yet clicked continue here, so this node is still yellow, but when I click continue, now it's turned to green. So both of our nodes have a green dot, so our workflow is set up correctly. We can activate our workflow by clicking on the button here, and now whenever there is a new event in our test calendar, it will take the details of that event and send it to our test channel in Slack. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that automates sending a channel message in Slack whenever there's a new event in Google Calendar. Join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or any suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel. And click here to get more content from Workload to help make your business practices more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.